Hello，大家好，今日同大家講下 Econ DSE 2026 MC 嘅第一條。咁呢一條就係講 In the absence of scarcity， 乜嘢 does not exist 啦。咁眾所周知 scarcity 就係稀缺性啦。咁稀缺性係咩呢？就係當呢個地球上有 limited resources， 但係有 unlimited human wants 嘅時候，就需要做出抉擇啊嘛。咁當冇呢一個稀缺性嘅時候，而家冇咗，咁有乜嘢係唔會存在？第一個選項咧就係 interest 啦。咁 interest 係咩嚟啊？ interest 就係同時間性有關嘅。咁時間性咧就係咩原因咧？就係因為 interest 有兩款，一個就係 deferred consumption， 就係講你借咗一樣嘢俾人嘅時候，你要收翻一啲 interest as 一個 compensation 啊嘛。第二個就係一個 early availability， 就係因為你可以提早對一啲嘢有一個購買或者用嘅權利嘅時候咧，你就會俾一個 compensation 俾借你嗰個人啊嘛。咁呢個就係 interest 啦。但係當冇 scarcity 嘅時候，根本喺任何時間你都可以買到你想要嘅嘢，或者你擁有到你想要嘅嘢嘅時候，所以根本 interest 就唔需要存在。所以第一個選項係啱嘅。而第二個咧就係 comparative advantage 啦。咁 comparative advantage 係咩啊？佢就係同 opportunity cost 有關啦，就係講一個人或者一間公司或者一個國家，當佢有一個低啲嘅 opportunity cost 嘅時候，佢就有一個 comparative advantage in manufacturing 整或者去export 呢一嚿嘢啊嘛。咁但係根本冇稀缺性嘅時候，人根本就唔需要做任何嘅選擇。咁呢個時候，呢個情況下，所以根本就係冇 opportunity cost， 所以咪冇 comparative advantage 咯。所以第二個選項都係啱嘅。而第三個就係 shortage 啦。咁 shortage 嘅時候，相信同學都好熟悉㗎啦，就係喺呢個 demand and supply graph 裏邊，當一個 price 係 set below 佢個 equilibrium price 嘅時候，假設我呢個圖就係 P1 啦。咁我框住呢個位咪就係 shortage 咯。咁但係點解冇 scarcity 就會冇 shortage 啊？就係因為根本就係冇 market 咯。因為根本就唔需要 price 去 obtain 一嚿嘢。咁所以喺冇 market 嘅情況下就唔會有 shortage 啦。咁所以第三個選項都係啱嘅。所以咧，呢一條第一條我哋果斷選 D。落堂。